4, I think.
You got the headlight out. Oh, you don't. Never mind.
Somebody braving the storm.
That's
Oh. Dude, it's batting down. Nobody's out doing shit. What's the difference between a looter and a salvager? That sawdust explosion we got earlier wore me out. I'm still sneezing from it. Oh shit! I think I got that. That was the biggest one tonight, but it wasn't as cool as that other one. Yeah. That one just spanned all the way across the sky.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm possible.
I think a lot of people will be late for work tomorrow, man. I mean, if we have a town left to work in, you never know. Don't be attached to the outcome.
Town. Kid, just remember, prosperity and pride in ownership.
Oh, man, I missed that.
That's what it's all about.
Did you get to see Atlas Shrugged?
No.
Okay. I'm wondering if Reel to Reel will replay it. I was thinking about that today.
See what the producer said. I'm not gonna do the second, third part.
No! Don't tell me that. Well, I heard the media muffled it. I mean, the media did not cover it, did not cover how many people went. They just blocked it. They censored it. But I heard it had a great showing.
That's the reason I went over there, because the next one's coming in 40 minutes from the kids.
Is that what they're saying?
There's a supercell forming right now in Greenville. There's one in Bluff City.
I think I got some lightning there.
It's all around us.
I'll be watching this shit for years. I got that one. I just had a deja vu.
Well, I would appreciate it if you would keep your language a little bit cleaner, since you're going to be saving this for posterity.
Oh man, I get excited. I can't help how I act.
So you get excited and you get vulgar, is
That's part of it.
that's how it goes?
My vocabulary shrinks.
Not me. I become more of a gentleman. I get excited. Well, my hat definitely will stay on in high winds.
Yeah, mine too. You will.
Happy it is.
And my shoes breathe well.
I'm wearing wool socks.
I figured as
As
much.
y'all know, cotton kills. Hear me now and believe me later. Cotton kills.
Wow.
Brand cat.
I can't believe, I swear I thought these things were 1 gigabyte a minute. Maybe it was megabyte. If that's the case, I got all kinds of video footage left to go. Oh, hell yes. I mean, this is going to be a big black video with occasionally a flash in it. And some terrible dialogue.
Now that right there, that thunder, when it rolls constantly like that, that's what they're talking about the train. That thunder constantly rolls.
Hell, I heard that out in Sulphur Springs this afternoon. But that was crackling thunder.
Oh, no, it was crazy.
Wow!
Me and Matthew were standing in the driveway just a few minutes ago. I'm telling you, man, you could hear the lightning sizzle across the...
Uh-huh. I bet you could. I'm kind of tone deaf to certain tones, and I wonder if I'm missing some of it. Shot too many guns without ear protection when I was younger. This is awesome.
Who over there?
It's all right over in there right now.
Don't take it easy. Oh, it's just one. Tell them we're going adventure riding here in a little bit. Tell Aaron we're going adventure riding here in a little bit. We're gonna go ride around here in a little bit.
After this one passes, we're going for a little trip.
Yep. Just like when it snows.
Oh shit, yes, I got that.
Yeah, but where are we going to go? I don't see any place close to that airport.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Something had to go up. I think we'll go direction Fort Town, Dark Hollow.
Well, yeah. Well, Susan and Allison went to Bee's, or their mama's, because she didn't have a basement. I mean, people were scared to death this afternoon before anything even happened. I mean, it was just like widespread panic over.
Yeah, I got full coverage on that.
The only time I've ever seen anything close to this was at the beach. That was, shit, that was about 20 years ago. 20 years ago. Twice in my life I've seen something like this. Wish I had a better camera.
And he talks about like he wouldn't know. Yeah, I don't know. This contact out here is going to be really good. Have you out here before?